and difficulty in breathing.
One of the most west hit countries. You can even countries like Iran in there. For more, but they say every 10 minutes, nipa back ewu was anything coronavirus diarrhea. Italy import almost ayama ama the abain practice obia coronavirus ebekan of training question. I was said. So this is the situation yenya ewo. I mean, other parts of the world. Now, you be that is our healthcare system better than Italy and Iran for your health professionals? Are they in a position you bet me they are well equipped to handle any crisis here and now? Can we say for a fact that our scientists are ready, and as they are readying themselves to the vaccine, in the event of any outbreak, they are more able to edit and almost so a manufacturer not somewhere in Abana. So it is obvious that we are not very prepared. But we want to be responsible. We want to offer hope. Into the year can better necessary. In your opinion, many only northern Ghana meningitis I hit region.
Yeah.
18 people, a 10 coronavirus, 18 people natural mongwa. We are no nothing more. Talk about your friends saying cholera outbreak and the number of people it killed in a country. Yenianomo Kaya lottery stations and they sleep in cubicles. That cubicles and one cubicle to me a patini paper 10. Halfway in a waiting bomb to explode in our face. On my idea is that you would expect that government would not compound the problem. They will be seen trying to resolve the issue. Thank you. Metro mass transport. Look at the number of people they go. You're waiting explosions. To hear that Albino is leading the exercise for the registration of citizens from the national identification agency at this time only shows that Albino is being reckless.
Abana
is being reckless.
He's being reckless.
Abana prioritizing the safety of the people. And for us, that's the friend is regarded. Just the National Identification Authority, in spite of persuasions, Apacho and the Casa, look, Ghana Medical Association has come out.
Yeah.
A friend saying,
Charge.
Come out.
Yeah.
Other bodies have come out that National Identification Authority. If any, the Omotwa exercise, we will storm every registration center in the Eastern region. Because we are a young economic fighters league.
Hey, and I say, Nyabotre, more as a economic fighters league. Mobile storming every center is still the Ghana card registration in the war.
Absolutely.
We can some of them run a shamusum. Na the mobile makwaji permission be. I'm mobile person moye de moye.
In your opinion, we are acting on our rush. these are extraordinary times. They are not ordinary. And we are going to ensure that we protect ourselves. We are storming such registration centers to physically prevent that exercise you from going on.
That will amount to breaking of laws. Because NIA as an institution has the right. If you're calling the NIA to stop the card registration now, at the end of what because the MNA was Tommy Center self preventing people from registering.
That is the question that I will say these are your NIA authorities now. And the people where we're going to say, how more yet behind how much I do also. They are endangering all of us. Wow, this studio more look, what's the pictures now? The people who are registering are ordinary people. Yeah, mama no more, yeah, papa no more, yeah, nia no more. Obo no ma, wawo okraneba, otarebai ho. I mean, these are the people. Yet now on the moment we are affected that none of us can survive that coronavirus attack. We will all die. Why should we sit down and allow the recklessness of a section of the leadership of this country to throw Nhyira into that chaos?
I don't taking legal action. The proper are restraining the NIA from going ahead for this registration. Rather, I'm demanding the Shamu storming every center. Eastern region will be a church for dinner. Now, the branches work with them.
Mia Penny Yamampe Asama Oma directive. And what we see ourselves doing is also putting ourselves in the position to enforce that directive to the latter. As far as we are concerned, we are on a patriotic duty in protection of our country, in protection of our people, a public safety measure. Ebinomo yasi ebinomo ede koko.
Enyantesi bimu dia cohort. Dada na munteki.
No, I mean yes, here another means of ensuring the safety of the people of Ghana.
It is some more koyana se violence be breaking us say police for bachi chimomode na mobaye.
There no be. We are not going there to fight the police. We are going there to stop the reckless. And if we are going to die as a result by their bullets, we prefer that. We prefer to die by their bullets than to die by their reckless. And this time around, every Ghanaian sees that way as their patriotic duty, because their air force, it is the highest level of recklessness for a country like Ghana. Just look at Italy. Look at what is going on there. And you would understand why it is so important to prevent the National Identification Authority from your friends wreaking that havoc on all of us.
Wow. And we should expect say this even who Economic Fighters League and none of person must me every registration center or Eastern region. Na mama NIA for Jai in Kofi Church for Ghana card.
Saturday.
Ochana moko.
Ochman eko. But if you more unstopped exercise much as we would have no offer but to go tomorrow.
And that's one now.
And that's why he died of corona. I don't want to be in that statistics. I prefer to see a better and that's where was taught and killed than say Yabekasi honestly Abua died from coronavirus.
And that's what I was saying. Kopon next to your born no your Economic Fighters League for leader Namote Nekano. Nhyira 1045 for number 1 account radio station exactly 12 minutes after 7. Mayenko na yenko din komo yene the general of generals of the political parties Ora Sidun Ketia on the general secretary at the National Democratic Congress NDC nin komo na yenhwe enra. Or the same be to ja especially on the NIA registration across for Eastern region of Konana Kufuado, the public banning of gathering at the Nhyira and the electoral commission for Sodomako court and some of the doors in Nkomo. Upon your much more cover the bench level Mukumazi.
Yeah.
Pachempumwe.
Amadam Kuro Yi
Mpachose.
The thing Amadam Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Oh, it's our hand sanitizers ne oh observe all the precautionary measures nina and na kufa do to bia kama. Oh, okay. Ma yene kan shase mfamfi enra kakra mo kind of NIA exercise na cost e Eastern region no. Mo calling on Sebeyanka omunyai adendia.
But just say that when they are court mean and come up them and and the woman is yeah, they no airban. And I be driving Yaman put me the name Akata. I'm Cheche Muse Jigina Kono Enti Shamu with Adiaman from home and this are a bit memory and Ashia. And also a buyer Omono abomin feet and the present theatre Omo de Umbekaswaya Mobeya and also a Bebwa Domoano. Now, woman has actually said a bit Maya Diana. And until I had the car there. The present Nuni said, and someone walk on. And yet, prayer for Gideon will say, as I say. Yadie no nti na o ye chance na yina nyanso wa na yadie de enim se president Bush ni na say president the office ho na tan che na se fi dia best so Ghana for to die there as I say na e kima as I na it die nti ati kana te fa na me and obugo so amokwa kwa domo ano na yegina so de enta ko tintima fidie kro no so a ebetimi transmit yi ba kokora ko shebu da ya de no bi wono no obowa atemo aba no enu president that is apostle who say election enu na opposition ko in da ya dai and the man okay ya de impact enti what in the idea bona kakra about my what me so adu say entrepreneur na MAA is Italy ni adi no say e and in no home tiga ya kan one team any be the according court and to also come them e court
Nhyira 104.5 ne Ora Sidun Ketia Tarfene General Mosquito no General Secretary de the National Democratic Congress Education Command Pemidia ne Papa Nyameke Papa the General what they are to say Nana Kufuado ne banning of the public gatherings in insurance so they aka nyina no they ill prepared. It's a prior person the regulation and then we intima okaza
so me pacho yes ana me kan no taking na intention for the okata man no man da no atelo wa no ne dia kuti be e kire se wo a wo se udi o man no ani enti emergency aba obia ne won kambom ne yam kontia na wa wo de won hihye aba betuga na wa wo nkofo asori te yemi sa anhihye no so no take us the extra ne say and the no enya de oka wonyi sa anhihye no bi na obotai no enya de wo de kwatia ya de no na botai foforo take And this announcement, yes, you know, say, your friend will say, on yes announcement, on taking those questions. President Muhammad, he can't say, Corona, the airport. The moon say, I buy a hooky castle, and said, you want sorry, on your baby. Then you are from two now. On this, I will buy. And I tell all the buy, I have checked on you. I am ready, young Pokutia. That's a wow, then you say, no, about the two guys. Nipa Ukra, would say, Yankoya, Yankoya, Yankoya. No one was Ebuabu Adomoano. In a situation, I bet me at the end of the Sunday, I saw the COVID in the Atreno. Young Freddy to the Atreno, I hear a bit in the Atreno. Now they are some of us of Catalan. And I saw and the general cost of also. And I feel you can emergency once and what's a fact, and so much one. And the phobia. For the letter commission being claiming them at the Marcoche Parliament. And do because I'm a man in a and I say, and to Parliament, he said, young passing manu, emergency. And fire, dear movie. Rano the way, Rano cry and boy, and yellow Jim cry. Then when your money to me, or catch a young question now, you bet you. I declare a state of emergency on Parliament. Okase obi ye preaching no to say tani panu ni preaching no nya de fa yetimi koche no. What radio station says you interview amenu yi. O issue a direct instrument say say abechi wa abecho. Echo so en kokko to ba bia o. Let us say asonche bia o pe bia so dey say direct instrument here dey ko. Everything no Sadia no cry and preventive detection act. Hey, I want the program no be corona no. Edimu, epeso oba beye wo sabri aye ba be to abai. Everything so one ya. O ta se be sepa, eni ko nya ha haye. Na sabe, one finance am ta ho. Ye de you consider be to yeah, come on. Like you say, Nipa no ya. Oh, you mean say that the other one among the Uti.
It's your part.
In fact, I see about the chair. I call you Nsem. One more, about 5 putting to Tango. So, a mobile boy election to me. You'll be out on my upper primary 5 years. Election, if you say. You can say, yeah, you got your cocoa say no war. You changing to and say, yeah. You got to register, and you have to be a corner of Fofo. No, almost I won't just say, or will be asked to find a couple of mission. And what's what I can say? Yet the MIC card, the idea. 800 million actually would be at the MIC. I see you yate. And as you Canada, I think I am maybe after to be novel. And I idea about the two. And what I can say, and one of boy, as I see it me, but then you have 100 billion. It's down. I don't believe it. I don't know it. Yes, so put me a theater. Well, contact country. I have no idea. Oko jira no oko chiredi. And that one crab in such an emergency in a war situation. Whether for 12 days, 3 and 1 and 1 and the after midnight. Oh, almost no. Yadeba, the car would never go up for him. I said, who catch it? The car no da. Minister call apartment, I'll tell a friend I have a copper butcher. And they are bad. And then she said, you, what you have got a butcher? Naya Sky 800 million. I know the audience, I know now I'm finding. I don't know, actually, I got a minimum of moon so. And that's a boy, I will be, and now, and now,
hello, General.
Or how the
General.
What more yet? Ever benefiting woman, and yet, you know, animal to now, intimidate a year secret for. Oh, you're almost, you know. That's who buy no, and now this buy my apple head say, yes, I got you for the number.
Hello, General. Hello, General. Wow. Hello, General. Hello, General. Okay, yen try say Sabeka General back on the line. General Facha and I'm say online no mutuka crime yen try say benya bit position who ye kakra General back on the line. Na yedin koma high Nhyira 104.5 number 1 Akan radio station. Rasidun Katieta friend General Mosquito na General Secretary at the National Democratic Congress NDC na yedin koma. The line no mutuka try say inside ya had line tutu say drop here about na one here na Obi assign friend Sibari try say you better establish a contact back and any general because no doors especially on their suit Sama Sunday Electoral Commission court of the general is okay entrance high show 104 point but I don't come say me bo na ka general tie some na kan ya and me be say no say in some show for ye but yin tie some kasa general mosquito na kasa kai
stopping this gathering, stopping that gathering. In my view, on the surface it will appear to the world that the president is acting to deal with, COVID-19 and so on. But the real intention is not to deal with COVID-19 at all. The real intention is to find space to put the pieces of the rigging equipment together, so that by the time anybody could say Jack, the election had been compromised.
It's where General Mosquito is summer kind, but a bomb is a back in the Come Nhyira 104.5 for number 1 Akan radio station. Some not bunny be junction for fire WhatsApp line or line no a 0244 320564 0244 320564 0244 320564 when any WhatsApp voice note line. Come on, you did not pay Akwakwa, do you agree with the Mpenifo, the Sraj Ghana Medical Association, the NDC for Sebeya and National Identification Authority, the National Card Registration across the Eastern Regional almost suspended because of the coronavirus outbreak. Nana, Sisi Ghana, Yarakoda Kodunipa 11. Bakupo, Ayemi Miensa 9 Enumisia. So and run me never count could do 9 and run quite 4 na count 11. Do you agree with the Sraj Ghana Medical Association Economic Fighters League almost nyame adomo chenempo almost tommy every center our Eastern region more stop it by force the electoral offense saying identification authority for asasinomo no NDC for calling some jai kufo pina calling on national identification authority sebeyan komunja asasine koso Eastern region and apewa wutsem. Do you also agree Sebeya said the preventive measures in they putting in place na yaren and spread no national identification authority Ghana card registration across Eastern region Ebeyan Komunjayana line no 0244 320564 0244 320564 Mama Jinka talk na me ba yebasa akọ bomodian sense abekana NDC at the electoral commission akogina court na kibomodian zebia asiri keteba sana he was on the premise of answering all those questions and the line I drop e di enti na mbode na call me electoral commission ni ho kwan practice 45A no so betumi compile a new voter register into Bayanka Apex Court of the Land, Supreme Court. Any non jaomo on stopping Electoral Commission from going ahead with this compilation of the new voter register. At the same time, even if they will go ahead with this registration now, Electoral Commission and the amendment to be their called CI 91. Sebeya Ghana CI 91 na will be a passport, driver's license, birth certificate, existing voter ID card, Ghana identification card, a womb. Any other offense document be now probably a guarantee the amount. Any idea no. Since the Electoral Commission tried their comma and the amendment in the court of parliament. Since a person will compile a new voter register. Since you dear me no pet and I bet me general so the chest so you Ghana ni natural did not me to aba. And also get a passport, Ghana passport, and also get a Ghana card. I don't know the only two form of identification. I able to me ajatum so Kobasa Electoral Commission ebie se metro din na yentumi to aba enye sati se bia obi oto atwo din nipa mienu e guarantee e de maw asa otumi akotro din no wanya voters ID card. I don't know NDC for someone tiasie because it's against fundamental human right and of course existing a voters ID card no. It's unconstitutional. Say because say mo bi o kita voters ID card. Enfanko training non-J a new voters ID card. And I pay even ya butenya dun ko no me boss kakra. But the never better konwam. Mitie wo so wutie me na no pay. Banko for pina na ye so much analogy. Say voters ID card. Ye nyina existing voters ID card mkrabi, unsu krabi. Mini opesika good da krabi, look mo nyina krabi. Near the to abayi a president or a legitimate president. I want to see or not to see our president. The same voters ID card. Since here there's a secretary different fra. Okutabia ultimately use as a form of identification. So you Ghana ni infantroding. Voters ID card in here to the parliament, members of parliament, and your president area no. The same voters ID card from the Siano. It is a mature me for frost me person to Ghana ni me Ghana ni person me to aba. Voters ID card me to me su infantro me din. Emma me Ghana ni se me to the to aba. Abusia me nyamfa to na ye nkombra ye ba e benya botani de nkomo. It's not about the doors. And no parliament is about 2 members of parliament. Is it a ban and I say it's an advice? Say among quarantine for 14 days. Bundiri member of parliament, Dr. Robert Baba Kungana Lim. And Ayawa Su East member of parliament Mahama Nasi Tuari Sebeyanka mun quarantine for 14 days go for Nhyira no fi Japan and India by and other 5 members of parliamentary service staff on Osaka mo so mun quarantine for 14 days honorable say chairman Sabonsu and the sense mo two guy be Sebeyanka mun kofie Sebeya just be wo mo ho into me ensan mo aka no sisi ade nsem na bebre ye koba abusia e benya bote din komo Nhyira 104.5 mediane papa nyamika akwati the general Bernard Kusia pia ofia wa unsu tie me voice note line no 0244 320564 0244 320564 kremusem Nhyira
Ago, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and the running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensem a ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi bia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. The way soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for them soldier force stress what. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Enough. The nyansa kromo no dey pop Ghana nyina. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in Edin so peace on the economy management to be answered. John Mahama now on only time next city no at the same inflation senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye enti musumfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho eduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
So Eastern region of Kanana Kufuado, the public banning of gathering at the Assembly, any electoral commission for Sodomako court, and some of the doors in Nkomo. Upon your Machemo, cover the bench, Rev. Mukumazi.
Yeah.
But I'm Pumwe.
I'm Adam Corona.
But I'll say,
the thing I'm Adam Corona no being unchairman is
oh, it's a war hand sanitizers, oh, observe all the precautionary measures, and another Kufuado do to Gabia, come. Oh, okay. My Yenika in Shassin Fee and Rank Kakramo kind of far NIE as I seen a cost Eastern region. More calling on Sebayanka or Munyai, aren't ya?
But just say that and they are could be caught and to mean and come with them and could and the woman is there. Yeah, they know air ban. And I be driving. Yaman Punia Dianim Akata Ama Cheche Muse Jigina Kono Enti Shamu with Adiaman from home and this are a bit memory and Ashia and also a buyer separate Romono Abomin feet and the present theatre Omo so aye no mo be ya ebe so ebe boabo adomo ano na wo man kata so ni se ebetimi ama ya de na tere eno nti na ye be ka se present no ni se ntama o kanu ye pre gidie wu se se ya de no nti na o ye chance se na yina nyanto na ya de enim se President Bushel Lily announced President in the office on a time to free. Maybe I do best to Ghana for to die again. As I say, I came out as it died. And cannot take for me. And I Obuswa Mopapa Domono. Even so the entire coaching team of the Chrono, so a bit near transmit here. Bakukura Kushibuda Yaden or Boa after Moaban. And then present that apostle. Who said, and in the dying and yet the man was there. Yadia did in part in the what India is the Ebona, Kakadia about my what me as well was the M. Italian, you know. I say that. And in general, one thing, one team, and if I be the Akoda court, and to also come as a court.
Hi, Nhyira 104.5 here now we're sitting at friend General Mosquito no General Secretary the National Democratic Congress Education Command Pemidiani Papa Nyamike Papa the General what they are to say Nana Kufuado ne banning of the public gatherings in insurance so they can no they ill prepared. It's a prior person the regulation and then the win to Maukaza.
And yes, I'm a mechanic, but you can't for the customer no man than you actually. I was not near the Akuti bed. And let's say, what I would say, would you mind when anti emergency about Obia no one come in near Kuntia. Now, what would do in 6 about the trigger? Now, I won't go for a sorry, you miss Anchi Channel or not. Like I said, the extra say, and the general, and yet the Oka wouldn't need to say no. Now, over time, and yet the old day quotia, Yadiano Nabutai for 40. And it's honored, yes, you announce your say, friend or say, on yes, announcement, on taking those methods. President Muhammad, he can't cut it, Corona, the airport. The move say a buy a hooky castle and said, "Into one sorry, on your baby." Then you are from two now. On this, I go buy. And I tell all the buy. I have checked on the iron ready young Fokutia. That's a wow, didn't you say about the Tuga? Nipa Ukra would say, young Koyayu, young Koyete, young Koyete, young Pastor, young Koha, young Koha, young Koha. No one was here. Ebuabu Adomoano. In a situation, I bet me I try at the end of the day. I saw the COVID in the Atreno. Young Fred in the Atreno. I hear you in the Atreno. Now they are some of us of Catalan. And I saw and the general custom also. And I say, you can emergency once. What's a fa? And so much one. And the phobia. When they are a letter commission being claiming them at the Marcoche Parliament. And do because I'm a man in a book, and I say, and make a run to Parliament to say, young passing manu, emergency. And fire dear movie. Rano the way, Rano cry a boy and little Jim will cry. Then will young man to me. Or catch a young quacho now, you bet you. Let me declare a state of emergency on Fanfa Parliament. Okache Obi ye preaching no to say Tani Panuni preaching no the fell you continue. What the radio station says you interview I mean or you show a delicate instrument to say I bet you I bet you. Let you try and cocoa to be out. Like I said, I saw Chibia okay the answer the agenda to be and you know Sadia no cry event and preventive detection act. Hey, I want the pro and looking corona no. Edimu, a person of Babaya was abri, I have a to abri. And you know, so one Ota Sebisipa, and you couldn't have higher. Naturally, one finance am Kamua. And you consider the yeah, come on. Like you say, Nippon on the yeah. Oh, you mean, should I say? That the other one among the Uti.
It's your part.
In fact, I see about the chair. I'll call you the same year. One more about 5 putting to Tango. So, a mobile boy election to me. You'll be out on my upper primary 5 year election. If you say, you can't say, yeah, you're a cocoa say no war. ye changing to and say yeah. They got to register and get a part of the Korean for. Now almost won't just and almost be asked to find a couple of mission. And what's the cat? Yet the MI idea. It's a million actually, would be at the MI. As you know, Yaki. As a Canada, I think the idea maybe after to begin also. And the idea about the two. And then what I can say, and one of boy, as I see it here, but then you have 100 billion. It's down. I don't believe it. I don't know it. Yes, so put me a theater. Well, contact country. I had no idea. Oko jirahi no oko chiridi. And that one crab in such an emergency in a war situation. That for 12. Today, 3 and 1 and the after meeting. How almost no. Yadiaba, the car would never go up for him. I said, who catch it? The car no da. Minister call apartment, I'll tell friend I have a copper butcher. And they are bad. And that's it. You, what you have copper butcher? Then you sky and that below. I don't know the ending, and I don't know the fine. I don't know actually say. I got a minimum of moon so. And I said, well, I will be, and I will go and
Hello, General. General.
Ever benefit of Monemo, and yet, you know, animal to now. Intimate a year secret for. You know, that's to buy no, and now this buy my apple and say, yes, I got you for the number.
Hello, General. Hello, General. Wow. Hello, General. Hello, General. Okay, yen try say Sabeka General back on the line. General Facha and I'm say online no mutuka crime yen try say benya bit position who ye kakra General back on the line. Na yedin koma high Nhyira 104.5 number 1 Akan radio station. Rasidun Katieta friend General Mosquito na General Secretary at the National Democratic Congress NDC na yedin koma. The line no mutuka try say inside ya had the line tutu say drop here about na one here na Obi assign friends Sibari try say you better establish a contact back and any general because no especially on their suit Sama Sunday Electoral Commissioner Court of the general is okay entrance high show 104 point but I'm not the dan can be say me bo na ka general tie some na kan ya me be say na say in some show for ye but yentie some kasa general mosquito na kasa kai
stopping this gathering, stopping that gathering. In my view, on the surface it will appear to the world that the president is acting to deal with, COVID-19 and so on. But the real intention is not to deal with COVID-19 at all. The real intention is to find space to put the pieces of the rigging equipment together, so that by the time anybody could say Jack, the election had been compromised.
It's where General Mosquito and some kind, but a bomb audience can back in the Dicom Nhyira 104.5 for number 1 Akan radio station. Some not bunny be junction for 5.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. And some are Kosukumasano. Then can we let you go? Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. But we are soldier for discipline. Vanguard for them, soldier for respect. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough, the young Sacramento, they pop Ghana.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute, and in so peaceful. so on the economy management obi ato no John Mahama na umu no ono ne time na city no etisa na inflation senior delegate for almost how many marks
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Ghana for say na abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye.
And now,
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Well, hi, Nhyira 104.5, number one. I can't the radio station be out here. Cause I'm a munina call about check with your time. Of course, just about 12 more minutes to 8. Yabaye Twasona, Edju Media for the Kremu Summit of Nhyira 104.5, live from Kumasi, the Garden City of Ghana. Mediane Papa Aquatic Nyamike, Papa the General, together with Bernard Kusia Piano, the crew this morning. Ever ready to deliver his all about information delivery galore on the most vibrant space. Now in Ashanti Rajabushana, you have voice note to be the mama na say Bobby Ache, and then the BBI said be brain so ban up in bidding como a lot and a lot of questions be braina and anoping Efa said you also think Sesen Kofor calling on the National Identification Authority Sebeyan Komunjai the registration of Ghana card or Eastern Regional and of course the strike and the Ghana Medical Association Economic Fighters League omunyina calling on Sebeyanka omo enjano do also agree Sebeyanka munjaya na the strike is even calling on the president Sebeyanka president on na this our public events and gatherings ni ban ni nyina baye identity no to one na ekoso registration card ekoso East Region country people are even calling on full penny amotia Sebeyanka no crown for and fantum na NIA for njani ade nyina ne semebe na de unkomo of course NDC take electoral commission to court the Supreme Court for interpretation. Sebayanka Supreme Court Emma electoral commission injured the compilation of the new voters registration exercise on at the same time, you know, so be your crumpa the existing voters ID card and I say electoral commission say ukrebia untimi fan show di ne beya anka omo mo kwano mo ebiukute bia no emfa entwene di no sansom ye di unkomo bebre ne afa on update of Ghana coronavirus at 11 baba me fa wiase nyina mfa ma quick graph yenkobo voice to kakra tisi ameka say de ewiase nyina tisi ameka say as of enne 20th March 750 pepe abo hey 246,020 cases so far. You are seeing a record. Nipa awu from coronavirus and 10,049. 10,049. And as you see, I'm say munyina awu. Nipa a recover 88,483. 88,483. And so far, omotumi a recover. Or more in a mild condition is about 95%, serious or critical 5%, that's about 7,388, and so far or more in critical condition and about 140,000 and 100 and or more in the mild condition likely say be able to recover. Now I call the country back because it's a country I know ding as I said or more overtake will be Italy. Italy so far, total cases are 41,035. Nipa awu is Italy 3,405. 3,405 out of 41,035. You know, emu 3,405 and so far awu. Nipa to me recover 4,440. Active cases in Italy 33,190. China total cases 80,967. Nipa tumiawu 3,248. And nano pay nipa 3 na ewu account China. Total recovered 71,150. Active cases 6,569. So imagine active cases for Italy 83,000. Active cases China is 6,000. So you can imagine. They say Italy hupa. See I'm holding nipa pi na 3,405. Abusia asemna ye kana no hie pa. United States of America. They say omuko money pa. Active case for US 14,366. and no I bet in nipa 577 na nya bi aka ho nipa wo USA 10 and pay nipa 10 na wu aka ho USA achesa no die pa into US Italy and China na sisiam kese de ho ehu ye pa South Korea krompo shase na mo ka krompo sia de aba from kakra Germany and so nipa 15,000 Spain 18,000 Iran 18,000 achesa let's say is on and on and on and on abusia Ghana I could do 11 Cote d'Ivoire I could do 9 Nigeria I could do 12 Nigeria I 12 Asaf Anopa make say Rwanda I 11 I just say I know I ding Ethiopia I 9 new 2 cases abeka Togo I 9 omonya 8 new cases account Togo and no na Togo na 1 pesi omonya 8 cases account my 9 Togo Kenya nya 7 Equatorial Guinea nya 6 South Africa I know ya ding just say yina yampa ebo Benin I recorded nipa 2 Liberia 2 just say kwa ne kwa nim abusia asem na ye ka no ose nyina yoba issues be observe the necessary precautionary measures nsem no no na ye de agu wadi amount high Nhyira 104.5 o number 1 Akan radio station yenti voice note kakra na ye ba ya ne ma no pay Absa semin kan show sisiam ka said ye kind of digital banking Absa digital banking dia na chese sia de we are all about digital chese Absa de semin kan show now we betumi banking from bank to bank and instant transfer and no aso be mobile money transfer pay bills we betumi up to airtime it's as simple as ABCD. That is right. Enjoy Absa digital banking anytime anywhere with Absa. That's Africana City. We are talking about Absa. Banking in terms of digital, yeah, it's all about Absa. Bomodia say on Absa bidding south. So MTN and the boy me double crack times man of people was in the braille was on a pay and also be dial *138#. You enjoy a lot of flexi bundle. It's all about MTN flexi bundles. Dial *138 and enjoy MTN flexi bundle. MTN is everywhere you go. I'm on for the biaba. Inti tibini entwaso.
Papa, good morning. When you are made new Casafiti. Papa, and I for card no more, you know. I also am a Christian sign because card no be a work with no be a ruby. I am more casting. I was sanitizing the DNCC one who was you know, Papa. What? The Bebo is also most suspended and new money in a cosisi or moon say Yaliano at Tiaco Corabico Yali Guaneco. Sis is here G11 Otiaze. Or would be dear gross wow what no aqua shamo my purity no work when you know no opinion on what if he Otiaze. And also Moshe so many or mere suspended and new money in a no would be
Hello, Papa Yamika, good morning. I want to believe somewhere. Okay, you're from Mommy this year because I've seen my home. Now, you know, mosquitoes and numbers and they can be cut off our home. Sure, Papa, the world is in chaos now. We are fighting, praying to get a cure for this deadly virus. And the best thing the NDCs could do, or can do, is to connect this thing to politics. Really? This is no time for us to talk about politics. This thing has nothing to do with politics. It is humanity we are talking about. People are dying.
Hello, Chairman. Good morning. Ghana sensation and person about the coronavirus. The Ghana panim for Omunya is already that virus in politics. You know, I could follow John Mahamo, a seeding Katio, but me, Omunja, the Omoy and Yasramo. Nasa Oko yet, sa politics now. One would have a job and a Ghana phone in a one, Sabisabio, Cafro, Nanado, and Asa Mahama, Uncle Bush, for waiting out for a banana. The community Mamufono Kakra.
Papa, good morning. I got a free Kwamo, a family, Ebenezer. Papa, a dear Nana who for ne Jemensa ne Atefa no omoje samre ya yekwa huhiehiem ye dwene yale hu ne eyi no hwedia womo ye hwe different things are omo dwene ho eye national education o register nipa ni wie na eche nipa ni wo a amfa so ba na wo so voted ID card ade ayeye uwie na se nipa ni wo a ade amfa so na wo so hwe yale na ati aketeshi hwe womo pa won bibidi mpuhwe ne ye womo ana o man Ghana papa ana kufu ade dia papa se nkwa na ope dia power se pa na ope o hwe ne ye o won hwe ne ye
Nhyira FM. Good morning, Papa Nyameke. Within the upon because of free Amsterdam. Me gidi se mo Nhyira for ana mo generous for no so. Emra President Beckham say nya sa di we nyina na obi e gyan. Na o mo trading wo Eastern region and central for muntimi mo so nkase ahwehwe mo hunu so mo yese wo ho. But me gidi se na NDC for na yanka mo hunu akọ aba be ka kire. Tim gidi se mo so mo nya fair to Ghanaians. Nhyira for especially many other radio stations. Nhyira FM.
Hello. Good morning, Papa. I'm watching. Jerusalem makes a free Spain. Barcelona. I'm watching my Papa. I'm watching my young Odianaba. I'm saying, Covenanti, Ghana for Mudi Diagono, Moyepa. Sisi kuma Barcelona ha in fact nyina yekura bo Spain ha sisi Spain ameno kasa sisi yekuta record of 18,000 population 18,077 and the power mo and number na 100 something kwa 1,000 sisi dia Ghana for mu hwie na mo fa ne diagro na wa hwe dia sama jena mosquito kekaya in fact say and some serious way I will be a bonfire say yakupon e manasa so na ye di yare so nkuni no o di abato ho adwene say de mampani ye no nye no nema ugina sia wusi na nye yade na ho gina sie na mu abato o di awdwene and they say wuto ze agina say yare mi choose sia na de chen na wu yare no abato na wa hin
Nhyira FM.
We say for watching no one to say. You say about we cry, you say any DB. I dare cheer me person we naba. I dare cheer me NI. I didn't teach us about one quan when you soon Ghana for one. Until yesterday, but a coso, na yakupon him the wire we. One upon quare was sours to a 2 cry for the conventional. Bye bye.
Nhyira FM.
Papa Nyameke, good morning. Me chiao pi minimisa ho ye. Me chia Nhyira atiefo nyina. Na me nsa Nhyira ni obo ase. Na me wa America say. Me chia Godfred Beni opre obo ase West Akonya. Sana me chia Afo Akwanso opre obo ase East. Sanse obo ase ye peche nyinti no. Delegate ATM sabre nyina. Omto wa masanko fui ni nchenji na obo asemfa na ntoma panfra papa na mika asema da tudwane de mika fa ho ne se honorable Kenatefa e wo se otini no ma se kakra we kwa de many Ghana for ya adwen se e wo se wo stopo because Ghana card no ukwa de wa nipa ba peso ni ade no emwa yare na abana ense se nipa tata so nte one de e wo se kwa bia so no o stopo na NDC for amuso mo di yisi eko court na menti o mase na NDC for kura bi pese bi so mo se Ghana ya de amuso mo nti kamfa na ma betra so 8 years ma ya de mba ye bia ye akufo da betra so efie miensa pe hwenwuma pa akufo da ye o man Ghana hanom na ewura se dikatia wo sore a wo be ha akufo do saa ye akufo do be ye bia nya ne fe ye to abama ne de ye fe enti di oye na obeji a wo nyai na amwa no me da se
Papa, good morning. My patcho Richmond here. Comments here okay. Some of more can my comments kakra. I'm said the and this for cano. The MPP nipa but it do be making sense because of the Omampani, the Okayano, or Semaya nye bibi a bit about we or more register, which is fine. The names no umbrella register. Why we share crofo pa on Baba Sunlight? Yet take almost even be drew one who match him. Nipa more than 25 no more cano. This uncommon councillor, and yet we know in your politics as a many politics na me. Into uncommon councillor and Kayapa. And that's it.
Nhyira FM.
Well. Hi, Nhyira 104.5 voice note. I'm for almost saw the more Chedi Abana, your body amount just 2 minutes after 8 to number 1. I can't reduce it. Nhyira, but call lines I could dink come pay Star Life Assurance. I mean, can't show say and ne Nyamia wa dom Okoba Brante to Kamukama or no Jano, you didn't bush your for Bia ya Kama. But the next year, then I'm next year, so they would be able to me see. Yam mom pie se bibia nto de ba bibia betumi ato ti wiaso wo ha na obo modern eja wo secure ho enu ti na staff assurance me kan che say or ancestor maw efa wasetra pada chimbi se bibi koto a me ne obo modern so ba plan yi na in case na se bibi to a Star Life Assurance etumi aboa wo bibia betumi ato abrabom enu ti na Star Life Assurance me kan che say they are the only trusted life insurance company in Ghana ha. You design policy papa dia mawa you be say boaw in case bibi to a nti bo modern baby automika bia and no pay but when so be take policy bi especially life insurance policy and if you life Star Life Assurance was said the be ya ekoba na say be the unforeseen circumstances bi to a that one cause minimiyanka na kachi nipa pina no mo abrabom because of a certain decision be muteki ya mo ji say anko ya mfa mo no pay Star Life so mo na sebo from 0302 7360 9600 the 0302 739600 0302 73 9600 and abako branch be a ben bia obomode no take the life policy and any policy be a Star Life Assurance to secure your future. Star Life, your solid partner for life. Aisha 1045 03220 83581 83582 83582 yeba na fia pekamo calls Aisha 1045.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi bia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Banga for na ma soldier force respect what. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Enough. The nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in a minute? So piece on the economy management to be answered. John Mahama now on only time let's see no at the China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks?
Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosobane meja paye entishia mosumfo eduana ba kofia sante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ago, good people of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago.
Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pausima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene awia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduanan ekosi awia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no nan eno so yato ne din Playoff na yede Memeda de nso e de asomo so don hwere miensa e na Memeda bia yetena se free anopa no nkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumadie ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e ojumadi me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena obe afie OB twice
it happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
what he say on the premise in also generation the boss was that is on Kobe. Yes,
amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and then Najman Pomodia said the bia o message program way na the global show.
Good people of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago.
News na mitie.
Asem wo ho. Me se me dia sam nam. Police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso. Hey!
Adai.
Eya ben wa ha.
Soko.
Aben wa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no. Ene enya abote twetwa ne nkakra ede brow.
Eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob. Ede kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu.
Ensam a wo bete no ebi areho.
Krama ni gina me ba no ho ta feeling moja. Na me ai na mkache mama sema krama na kumi ba no.
Ebi so asere.
Na omema wo sitase ahodo de bi. She?
Bajai.
Sa stars the day pa na no de ma what him says. What they are more wa feel pa.
This is me kuntuno.
Abe Soko.
Abiwa news na mitie.
Asem wo ho. Me se me dia sam nam. Police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso. Hey!
Adai.
Eya ben wa ha.
Soko.
Aben wa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no. Ene enya abote twetwa ne nkakra ede brow.
Eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob. Ede kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu.
Ensam a wo bete no ebi areho.
Krama ni gina me ba no ho ta feeling moja. Na me ai na mkache mama sema krama na kumi ba no.
Ebi so asere.
Na omema wo sitase ahodo de bi. She?
Bajai.
Sa stars the day pa na no de ma what him says. What they are more wa feel pa.
This is me kuntuno.
Abe Soko.
Insure
104.5. Yawa Zoye. Anything I did or bra at 1 airba on chain. You're from your sophomore bar, Efe Amano. What you are from a lady Amano. My yenshia, free Juada Kwesi Efiada, or bra at 1 p.m. Pepepe, and Checha Bebrewum, Adisia Ewum, Emma Su, Emma Esu, and Quadasre, ye cheer school fees, near Shebia Yarisa, not ye Bobby, Emomo near Juma, a how ben awum, my yenshia, 1 p.m. Debiarada, a Juada Kwesi Efiada.
Manu play back up. Money be matter ho. Who says they see you now? One by hospital in the board for the day. Oh, yeah, I was say a Canada or you. What's our corner as aqua trassi? Oh, we now. I'm an assigning medium. Uba yao can in a wanka. Ma, never crime and test you, mensia. And you're feeling so. And you're feeling so.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Sama Kosu Kumaseno. Jan can be a two Kobe.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
They were soldier force discipline. One guard for them, a soldier force specific.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough. The Nyansa Krono, they pop Ghana.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in a minute? In so piece on the economy management to be out John Mahama now on only time not sitting at the same now inflation senior they get for almost how many marks Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba meja paye entishia mosomfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho ejuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebrekro na Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not
other part of the your baby that is a healthcare system better than Italy and Iran for your health professionals are they in a position you bet me they are well equipped to handle any crisis here and now. Can we say for a fact that our scientists are ready and I say they are readying themselves with the vaccine in the event of any outbreak more able to at this time almost so so it is obvious that we are not very prepared. But we want to be responsible. We want to offer hope. Into the year can you better necessary. In your opinion, only northern Ghana meningitis, I hate it region,
Yeah.
18 people, 10 coronavirus, 18 people natural mongwa. We are no nephew man. Talk about your friends saying cholera outbreak and the number of people it killed in a country. Share Yenianomo Kaya lottery stations and they sleep in cubicles. That cubicles and one cubicle to me a party paper test. Halfway in a waiting bomb to explode in our faces. On my idea is that you would expect that government would not compound the problem. Then they would be seen trying to resolve the issue. Then you put a metro mass transport in there. Look at the number of people in Gum. Nina, a waiting explosion. To hear that Albino is leading the exercise for the registration of citizens from the national identification agency at this time only shows that Albino is being reckless.
Albino
is being reckless.
He's being reckless.
Albino unprioritizing the safety of the people. And for us, that's the offense is regarding. The National Identification Authority in spite of persuasions, Apacho and the Casa, look, Ghana Medical Association has come out.
Yeah.
A friend saying,
Charge.
Come out.
Yeah.
Other bodies have come out that Omunina Air Catcher National Identification Authority, the moon died the Moyano. If any, the Omotwa exercise, we will storm every registration center in the Appendix Eastern region. Because we are a young economic fighters league. The leaders.
Hey. And I say, Nyabotre, more as a economic fighters league. Mobile Tommy, every center what is still the Ghana card registration in the world.
Absolutely.
We can say more than Ran Shamusum. Na the mobile makwaji permission be. A mobile person moye de moye.
Many opinion. We are acting on a rush. These are extraordinary times. They are not ordinary. And we are going to ensure that we protect ourselves. We are storming registration centers to physically prevent that exercise from going on.
But that amount to breaking of laws. Because NIA as an institution has the right. If you're calling the NIA to stop the card registration now, at the end of because the MNA was Tommy Center self preventing people from registering.
That is a question that I will say these are the NIA authorities now. And the people where we're gonna say, how more yet behind Apostle. They are endangering all of us. Wow, this studio Honomo Kasana. Look, what's the pictures now? The people who are registering are ordinary people. Yeah, manomo, yeah, papa nomo, yeah, nianomo, Obonoma, Wawo, Okraneba, Otarebai. I mean, these are the people. Yet now on the moment we are affected that none of us can survive that coronavirus assassin. We will all die. Why should we sit down and allow the recklessness of a section of the leadership of this country to throw Yenina into that chaos?
I don't taking legal action. The proper more compassion are restraining the NIA from going ahead for this registration. Rather, I'm them nine be cinema storming every center. Eastern region will be a church for dinner. Now, the brand nations work with them.
Mia Benny. Yamampe Kasama. Oma specific directive. And what we see ourselves doing is also putting ourselves in the position to enforce that directive to the latter. As far as we are concerned, we are on a patriotic duty in protection of our country, in protection of our people, a public safety measure.
I don't court.
Ebinomo yasi ebinomo ede koko.
Enyantese bimu dia court. Dada na munteki.
No, I mean yes, we had another means of ensuring the safety of the people of Ghana.
It is mo koyena se violence be breaking us police for bechechi mo na mo beye.
There no be. We are not going there to fight them. We are going there to stop the reckless. And if we are going to die as a result by their bullets, we prefer that. We prefer to die by their bullets than to die by their reckless. And this time around, every Ghanaian Biama sees that way as their patriotic duty, because their air force, it is the highest level of recklessness for a country like Ghana. Just look at Italy. Look at what is going on there. And you would understand why it is so important to prevent the National Identification Authority from your friends, they reckon that's havoc on all of us.
Wow. And we should expect say this even economic fighters league and none of person best to me every registration center or eastern region. Na mama NIA for Jai Nkofe Church Mudi for Ghana card.
Saturday.
Ochana moko.
Ochman Eko. But if you or more unstop exercise much as we would have no offer to go tomorrow.
And that's what now I say.
And that's why he died of corona. I don't want to be in that statistics. I prefer to see a better and that's where was thought and killed than say Rebecca said and that's where died from coronavirus.
Okay. And that's what now was Yakupon Kan. You next to your born or your economic fighters league for leader Namoti Nekano. High Nhyira 1045 for number 1. I can't read.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan we yetu ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we asoja fo.
Ne wure de kuya so ma ewure oyalobore. High Nhyira 1045 for number 1 I can't radio station. And up a good morning, come on, Minia, London Bridge Sound, so for the Chrome News site. No, mammy, we show for London now, but the buy a chain to the we have quarantine. It's a bugger of fun up in a hot to say a classical pub before you're a payment hot to say when you never be a mutiabi. Senior Dim Command or Pay and Chairman Sabeka Chairman of Fire Mufio in Shaeso constituency NDC Chairman Rafa Safo Patrick, a communication team member, and health insurance manager Sokore Mampong. What was your Dim Command? I mean, tell could then chambo of a real manfo. I'm so if you're for another call here, a papa yanko, yeah, fine. And I'm catch a question movie be a friend pandemic, a 2007 Hallmark series. May I crash you? Yeah. Very interesting and nice movie. And I'm a bad movie. Very recommend Obian Kopesa movie in Pandemic 2007. I got 3 minutes. Pandemic. 2016 but this is 2016 that's 2007 207 a mini series Hallmark for but in fact a very nice story. He started with an Australian guy be as a or more call Australia beach and a more be go sana virus na obesha kolanimu or the full plane and started so obawa plane mu and of course he started spreading and in fact it's a ocean movie now movie. It's a nice movie, and I'm really surprised. If you're watching that movie, it is sound like movie. As soon as you see it, you know, I find the art movie. But this is 207 movie that we are talking about. Pandemic. Oh my! We are watching movie. It is called Pandemic. Say it after me. Oh, Pandemic! Ground to me. I'm sorry, I'm Friday. It's about 2 hours, 36 minutes, 55 seconds. Pandemic in 2016, no. By 2007. 2007, we are now 2016. Yeah, we 2016 now. 2016, I'm making boom. Yes. What's 2016 and one. So make a boom. 2016, no, yes, I compilation. Yes, so they're kind of pandemic. And there's one also called contingent. Contingent, yeah. You're not so it's related to virus. Oh, you're not a virus related. I mean, you can watch those. Coronavirus until you see the virus movies in what told them man were infected. Okay, so who are there? Jago Fado. BBI fine. Well, because you need Jack can have entrance now. You need Jack. Shafana pay my men come for the papa be and from my family hemoglobin syrup. Ya diabetes so yeah, when him said drain. Yadika can once my Golden Towers Limited for Nekofa Eba ye. A family hemoglobin syrup a drono a papa. I make come for Ediama Wunya be a boy papa. Mesawanimia ya to a separate vitamin B12 ne woman tinum. A very essential to the body. The course for Eastern region of Konana Kufuado, the public banning of gathering at the Assembly, and the electoral commission for Sodomako Court, and some of the doors in Newcomer. Upon your much more covered the bench, Rev Mukumazi.
Yeah.
But I'm Pumwe.
I'm Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
But I'll say,
the thing I'm Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Oh, it's our hand sanitizers, oh, observe all the precautionary measures, and Kufa to do to Gabia, come. Oh, okay. My Yanika in Shassin Fee and Rank Kakamo kind of far NIE as I seen a cost Eastern region. More calling on Sebayanka or Munyai, aren't ya?
But just say it's happening there, could be caught intimate and come up them and quantities. And the woman is there. Yeah, there no air ban. And I be driving a man put me at the name Akata. I'm Cheche Muse Jigina Kono. Enti Shamu with Adiaman from home. And this are a bit memory at the and Ashia. And also a buyer said, Omono abomin feet and the present theatre, Omode, Umbekaswaya, Mobeya, and also a Bebwabwa Domoano. Now, woman has actually said a bit Mamma Diana. And then the car said, the present Nuni said, and someone walk on. And yet, prayer for GD will say, as I say, Yadian in the lawyer chances, my Indian to I may have been present to which you need and answer present in the office on a time to take maybe best for Sugana for to die again. As I say, I came out as it die and cannot take for them and I Obuswa Mopapa Domoano. Even so the entire coaching team of the Chrono, so a bit near transmit here. Bakokura, Koshibuta, then be one of Boa after Moaban. And then present that apostle. Who said, elected and opposition to in the dying and the man was there. Yadid in part into what in the idea, but Kakadia about my what me as well, the entrepreneur, and my Italian, you know. I say, and in general, home to the Yaka, one team, and if I be the Akodan court, and to also come at them,
Hi, show 104.5 year no Rosidun Katia, friend General Mosquito, no General Secretary, the National Democratic Congress, Education Command of Pemidiani Papa, Nyamike, Papa the General. General, what are you say? Nana Kufuado, the banning of the public gatherings in Soron Sodia Kanyano, idea ill prepared. It's a prior person the regulation. And then the winter Maukaza.
And yes, I'm a mechanic watching Nansen for the Okaman or Mandan watching. I was not near the Akuti bed. Which let's say, what I would say, would you mind when anti emergency about Obia no one come near Kuntia? Now, why would do 6 about the trigger? Now, I won't go for a sorry say you miss Anchi Shano so. Like I said, the extra say, and the general, and then the Oka wouldn't hit Auntie say no. Now, Obotano, and then the old day Quatia, Yadiano Nabutai for 40. And it's honored, yes, you announce your say, friend will say, on your announcement, on taking those methods. President Muhammad, the can cast it, Corona, the airport. They won't say, I buy a hooky castle, and said, you want sorry, on your baby. Then you are from two now. On this, I go buy. And I tell all the buy, I have to check out here. I am ready, young Fokutia. That's a wow, then you say, no, about the Tuga. Nipa Ukra would say, young Koyayu, in a situation, I bet me I try again to send you. I saw the COVID in Atreno. Young Fred to me Atreno. I hear you to Atreno. Now they are sending a lot of Catalan. And I saw and the general custom also. And I feel you can emergency once and once and someone say one. And the phobia. When they offer a letter commission being claiming them at the Marcoche Parliament. And do because I'm a man in a and I say, and then to Parliament, he said, young passing manu, emergency. And fire dear movie. Rano the way, Rano cry and boy and yellow Jim cry. Then when young man to me, or catch a young question now, you bet you. Let me declare a state of emergency on Parliament. Okay, Obi, you're preaching, no, to say, Danny Panini preaching, no, and the fair, you give me continue. What the radio station says you interview, I mean, or you show a delicate instrument to say, I bet you, I bet you. Let you try and go to the deal. Let us say, I saw Chebia, okay, the answer, the agenda, and you know, Sadia no cry event and preventive detection act. I want the people and losing corona no. Edimu, a person of Abaya was Abri, I have Abba to Abri. And you know, so one radio. Ota Sebisipa, and you couldn't have higher. Naturally, one finance am Kawa. And the consider brother. Yeah, come on. Like you say, Nipa no ne. Oh, you mean na say that there no one more na wuti.
Idea.
Wuti.
It's your pa.
In try see about the chair. Akoya Nsem nya dey. One more about 5 putting to tawo. So mobile boy election to me. Obi a go to me on my approach me 5 years. Election, if you say, you can say, yeah, you got your cocoa say no war. You changing to and say, yeah, you got to register, and you have to be a corner of football. No, I'm also a own judge, and I'm going to be asked to find a couple of promises. And what's what I can say? Yeah, dear, my sick idea. It's a million, actually, would be a dear, my sick as you know, Yaki. And as you cannot, I think I am maybe after to be Rato. And I did about the two. And then what I can say, and one of boy, as I see it, me, but then you got 100 billion. It's down. I thought to be 800 billion. And then you only yes, so put me a theater. Well, down country. I had no idea. Oko General Oko Tridi. And that one crab, in such an emergency in a war situation. That for 12. 2 days. 3 and 1. And one time, the actor regional. Oh, I almost know. Yadiaba, the car would never go up for him. I said, who catch it? The car no da. We minister call apartment. I'll tell friend I have a couple of butcher. And they are bad. And that's it. You, what you have got a butcher? Now you're sky 800 million. I know the audience, and they know now they're finding. I don't know, you know, actually, I said. I got a minimum of moon shop. And I said, well, I will be, and I will go and now.
Hello, General.
Or how
General.
One more ever benefiting one more, and yet, you know, and I'm on to now. Intimidate a year secret for one more, you know. That's to buy no, and now we should buy my yacht. Yes, I got you for the number. Let go.
Hello, General. Hello, General. Wow. Hello, General. Hello, General. Okay, yen try say Sabeka General back on the line. General Facha and I'm say online no mutuka kakra yen try say benya ibetnya position hu ye kakra na General back on the line. Na yedin koma high Nhyira 104.5 number 1 Akan radio station. Rasidun Katieta friend General Mosquito na General Secretary at the National Democratic Congress NDC na yedin koma. The line no mutuka try say inside ya had the line tutu say drop here about na one here na Obi assign friend Sibani try say you better establish a contact back and any general because no especially on their suit Sama Sunday Electoral Commission court of the general is okay entrance high show 104 point but I don't come per se me bo na ka general tie some na kan ya and me be say no say in some show for ye but yen tie some kasa general mosquito na kasa kai
stopping this gathering, stopping that gathering. In my view, on the surface it will appear to the world that the president is acting to deal with, COVID-19 and so on. But the real intention is not to deal with COVID-19 at all. The real intention is to find space to put the pieces of the rigging equipment together, so that by the time anybody could say Jack, the election had been compromised.
It's when the general mosquito is summer kind, but a bomb against Sabeka back in the Dicoma Nhyira 104.5 for number 1 Akan radio station. Some not bunny bibri junction for fire. WhatsApp. Check with your time. Of course, just about 12 more minutes to 8. Yabaye Twasona. Yede Jumedia for the Kremu Samidi of Nhyira 104.5 live from Kumasi, the Garden City of Ghana. Midiane Papa Aquatic Nyamike, Papa the General, together with Bernard Kusia Piano, the crew this morning ever ready to deliver. It's all about information delivery galore on the most vibrant space. Now in Ashanti Rajabushanya. One voice note to be the mama na say Bobby Ache and then the BBI said be brain so ban no penny be dim komo e be say a lot and a lot of questions be brain na and anopin efa said you also think Sesen Kofo calling on the National Identification Authority Sebeyan Komunjai the registration of Ghana card or Eastern Regional and of course the strike and the Ghana Medical Association Economic Fighters League omunyina calling on Sebeyan ka omo enjai no you also agree Sebeyan Komunjai na the strike is even calling on the president Sebayaka president on na this our public offense and gatherings ni ban ni na baye identity no to na ye NI ekoso registration card ekoso East Region country people are even calling on for penny amotia Sebayaka no crown for na numfantum na NI for njani adenyina ne sembre ne de unkomo of course NDC take electoral commission to court the Supreme Court for interpretation Sebayaka Supreme Court Emma electoral commission enjoy the compilation of the new voters registration exercise on at the same time so be the existing voters ID card and I say electoral commission say ukrebia untumi fan show di ne be ya anka omomo mo kwano mo ebiukute bia no emfa entwe ne di no sansom ye di unkomo bebe ne afa on update of Ghana coronavirus at 11 baba me fa wiase nyina mfa ma quick rafa yenkobo voice to kakra tesi ameka say de wiase nyina tesi ameka say as of enne 20th March 750 pepe abo hey 246,020 246,020 cases so far. You are seeing a record. Nipa awu from coronavirus and 10,049. 10,049. And as you see, I'm going to say, awu. Nipa I recover 88,483. 88,483. And so far, omotumi I recover or more in the mark condition is about 95%, serious or critical 5%, that's about 7,388, and so far or more in critical condition, and about 140,000 and 100 and or more in the mark condition, likely say be able to recover. Now I call the country back because it's a country and what ding as I said or more overtake will be Italy. Italy so far, total cases are 41,035. Nipa is Italy 3,405. 3,405 out of 41,035. Emu 3,405 and so far Nipa to me recover 4,440. Active cases Italy 33,190. China total cases 80,967. Nipa tumia 3,248. And nano player nipa 3 na account China. Total recovered 71,150. Active cases 6,569. So imagine active cases for Italy 83,000. Active cases for China is 6,000. So you can imagine. They say Italy hupa. So we hold nipa pi na 3,405. Abusia asem na ye kana no hye pa. United States of America kesi omu ko money pa. Active case for US 14,366. And no I bet ne nipa 577 na nya bi aka ho. Nipa wo USA 10 and pay nipa 10 na wu aka ho USA. Achesa no die pa. Into US Italy and China. Na sisiam kese de ho ehu ye pa. South Korea krompo ehase na mo kan krompo ne sia de aba from kakra. Germany and so nipa 15,000. Spain 18,000. Iran 18,000. I just said let's say this on and on and on and on. Abusia Ghana I could do 11. Cote d'Ivoire I could do 9. Nigeria I could do 12. Nigeria I 12. Asaf and Opa make say Rwanda I 11. I just say I know I ding. Ethiopia I 9. New 2 cases account. Togo I 9. Omanya 8 new cases account Togo. And no na Togo na 1 person omanya 8 cases account my 9 Togo. Kenya nya 7. Equatorial Guinea nya 6. Oba Africa I know ya ding. Just say nyina yampa ebo. Benin I recorded nipa 2. Liberia 2. Just say kwa ne kwa nim abusia asem na ye ka no ose nyina yoba issues be observe the necessary precautionary measures nsem no no na ye de agu wadi amawo the high Nhyira 104.5 o number 1 Akan radio station yentie voice note kakra na ye ba ya no ma no pay Absa semin kan show sisem ka said ye kana digital banking Absa digital banking dia na chese dia we are all about digital. Say Absa the Osemin control. Now we bet me a banking from bank to bank and instant transfer. And once be mobile money transfer, pay bills, we bet me up to air time. It's as simple as ABCD. That is right. Enjoy Absa digital banking anytime, anywhere with Absa. That's Africana City. We are talking about Absa. Banking in terms of digital, yeah, it's all about Absa. But what say on Absa bidding south. So MTN and the boy, the worker times man of people was in the braille was on a pay and also dial *138#. You enjoy a lot of flexi bundle. It's all about MTN flexi bundles. Dial *138 and enjoy MTN flexi bundle. MTN is everywhere you go. I'm on for the Biaba.
Papa, good morning. I'm Papa, and I for card no more, you know. I also am a Christian sign because card and will be a will be. I am more casting. I was sanitized and DCC one who was near, you know, Papa. What the web one is also most suspended and new money in a cosisa moon say Yaleno. Atia kokora because yale kwa neko 6 is here G11 otiaze omudu bidi agrosa wa ukwata na akwa mo mapirudi na wa kwa kwenye no penyi no wotifie otiaze Entine also mohwe se o me suspend sa nneema ni nyina na wo bia ede.
Hello, Papa Nyamike, good morning. I want to know you somewhere. Okay, you're from Mommy this year because of the Marco. You know, mosquitoes from Mommy this year can be picked up from home. Sure, Papa, the world is in chaos now. We're fighting, praying to get a cure for this deadly virus. And the best thing the NDCs could do, or can do, is to connect this thing to politics. Really? This is no time for us to talk about politics. This thing has nothing to do with politics. It is humanity we're talking about. People are dying.
Hello, Chairman. Good morning. Ghana sends some person about the coronavirus. Mr. Ghana Panimfo. Omunya is already that virus in politics, you know. Akofado, John Mahambo, Sidin Katio, Baumi, Omunya, the Omoy and Yesramo. Nasa Okoye, Sa politics now. One would have a trouble and a Ghana phone in a war, Sabisabio, Cafro, Nanado, and Asa Mahama, Uncle Bush, and Forbit me out for banana. The Munity Mamufono Kakra.
Papa, good morning. Because every Kwamo, a family, Ebenezer. Papa, a dear Nana ne Jemensane Atefan Omoji. Some rare, Yakwa, him, ye drink your leave, near you know, shed dear one more year, shed different things are almost a drink of home air. National education, oh, register in Paniwi, nature in Panua, and fast for banner also. What a daddy card, a dear ye, we listen in Panua, a dear fast one also. Share Lena Tiakati, a catishi, share one more pa, a warm BBD and push a dear warm, and oh my Ghana. Papa, and I could for the dear Papa some quan open. Dear Papa, si pan open. Ocean you, ocean ye.
Good morning, Papa Nyamike. Within the Opon, because I'm free Amsterdam. We give this a more Nhyira for an more generous of one. Emra President Beckham see Nyasa di win and now be a giant. Now more trading with Eastern region and Central for Muntimi more son Cassia Humo who so more ye say or but me give this a man this for Nayan Kambunaco about a country. It gives them more fair to Ghanaians. Nhyira for especially many other radio stations.
Hello, good morning, Papa. I'm watching Jerusalem because of free Spain. Barcelona. I'm watching my Papa. I'm watching my unique audio number. Say, Covenanti, Ghana for Mudi Diagono, Moyepa. Says, Kuma Barcelona, in fact. Yekura Spain. This is Spain. I'm no Cassis here. You could have a record of 18,000 population, 18,077, and the poem of woman and the numbers and 100 something, 1,000. To say, dear, Ghana for moon fee na Monfani Diagro. Now, I heard the summer General Mosquito Kikaya. In fact, and some serious way. I will be a bonfire, saying Yakupon, a man as a sona, Yadi Yaresun Kunino, or the Abatu, or Benny. Said the Mampani, and I never would see who's in Yadan who get a sea name of Abatu, or the opening. And they say, who was the agenda, say, I really choose to the channel, Yadano, Abatu, never he.
We shall for watching. No one to say. You say, about we cry, you say any DB. I dare chair me person we naba. I dare chair me and I didn't teach us about one quan when you soon Ghana for one. Until you ask the Coso, now I'm upon him the wire we. One upon Quade was I was to a 2 cry for the conjunction. Bye bye.
Papa Nyamike, good morning. Me chiao pi, me sao hoye. Me chia Nhyira atie fo nyina. Na me san Nhyira ni obo ase
ɛna mewa America say mechia Godfred Beni opre Obuase West Akonya sana mechia afọ akwanso opre Obuase East sanse Obuase ye pe change ntino delegate ATM sabre nyina omto mama sankofo yi ye change na Obuase mfa ntoma panfra papa nya meka so ada to dwane de meka fa ho ne se honorable Kenatefa e wo se otini no ma se kakra we kwa de many Ghana for ya adwen se e wo se was stop because Ghana card no ukwa de wa nipa ba peso ni ade no emwa yare na abana ense se nipa tata so nti one de e wo se kwa bia so no o stop na NDC fo amuso omde yisi ekọ court na menti o mase na NDC fo kura bi pese bi buso o se Ghana ye de amuso o nti kamfa na ma betra so 8 years ma ye de mbe ye bia ye ekofo da betra so efie miensa pe hwenuma pa ekufo da yo man Ghana hanom na ewura se di katia wo sore a wo be ha ekufo do saa ye ekufo do be ye bia nya ne fe ye to abama ne de ye fe enti di oye no obedi a wo nyai na emwa no me da se
Papa, good morning. Me Pacho Roachman here. Comments here are okay. Some are more kind of my comments kakra. I'm said and this is for Kano. The MPP nipa, but it do be making sense because of the Omanpanini, the Okaino, or Semaya nye BB a bit about we or more register, which is fine. The names no umbrella register. Why we share Crawford pa on Baba Sala? Ya take almost even be drew a homachimo. Nipa more than 25 no more cano. This uncommon councillor, and yet we know in your politics as a many politics na me. It's uncommon councillor and Kayapa. And that's it.
Well. Hi, show 104.5 voice note. I'm for almost so don't watch Nhyira abana ya body ama just 2 minutes after 8 to number 1. I can't reduce it. Nhyira iba call line so could dinko ba no pay Star Life Assurance me kan cho say ene.
Oh, good people of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and the running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago, good people of Ghana, here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it, and wash your hands with soap and the running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms of coronavirus include fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. Should you experience any of these, or for more inquiries, please contact 0558 439 868. That's 0558 439 868. Or call 0509 497 700. That's 0509 497 700.
Remember to always wash your hands with soap and running water.
This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, and partners. Ago, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. The way soldier force your discipline. Banga for na soldier force stress what? Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Adnas di nyansa kromo no dey pop Ghana nyina. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute. In so piece on the economy management to be answered. John Mahama now on only time let's see no at the same now inflation senior they get for almost how many marks? Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosobane meja paye entishia mosumfo eduana ba kofia sante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anope bia ebono nsia pausima aduana ekosi nonso ya to the Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduana ekosi ewia dumienu anoso ya to the Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no 9 eno so ya to the playoff na ye de Memeda de nso e de asomo so don hwere miensa e na Memeda bia yetena se free anopa no nkono ekosi awia dumienu jumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e ojumade me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena obe afie OB twice
it happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
on the premise in also just the boss was that this on Kobe. Yes,
amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and then Najman Bomodia said the bia o Mrs. program way na the global show. Your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anope bia ebono nsia pausima aduana ekosi nonso ya to the Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduana ekosi ewia dumienu anoso ya to the Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no 9 eno so ya to the playoff na ye de Memeda de nso e de asomo so don hwere miensa e na Memeda bia yetena se pie free anopa no nkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumadie ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba ejumadi me bright kan kambodu
kwabena oben afie OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football, I need a bigger interest, and I say, Bonnie,
Christian,
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Sama ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
The way soldier force your discipline no. Vanguard for them soldier for respect is what.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough. The nyansa kromo no dey pop Ghana nyina.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if
Mampontain Angel Education Complex in Aoko School. If you work as our papa, do tutu. So I was so happy birthday. And I do tutu do fear pal. Angel Educational Complex. From your dad wishing you happy birthday. It's not for you doing common here. Some how do I know PPP NIA matters already na Kufuado directive Parliament restrictive bill matters are rising and NDC at the Electoral Commission at Court. It's something be but to be related Shraj Medical Association. It's all about COVID-19 and matters are rising and home communication and are not paid. Now on this flip side, National Health Insurance branch manager at the Master Kore Mampong was also a special aid at the Mark Kingsley Ajimai scholarship secretary CEO was also a communication team member at the MPP or Ralph Nabokode.
Wow, Papa. Oh, yeah, we're going to for the sincere Rima. There's a go for
Nyamo.
My business in Yamitias. And I want to Ghana by name Munipe Tuno.
Be a fine. Chairman of Fire Mayor NDC Chairman in Shaisa constituency. Chairman of Bokodia.
I said, Daniel, the Bema,
be a fine. Okay. I mean, into it, Ralph, you come COVID-19. Abba, see the numbers, no? I recorded 11. Precautionary measures, saying I observe it. Directive for President Maya, no churches, social gatherings, near Kenya, observe the comma. Yababum is a National Identification Authority. Our Eastern Region Ghana card registration.
I think I said Dunketianso and make a very serious statement
on
concerning the measures are binding together.
Yeah, say a way of sale when they buy a rig machinery no and sano no huno. You need come you need come for the next 8 minutes.
Papa Nyamike,
how to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
My China for now Nhyira FM so 104.5 FM yena mwase wakwanya ifiada no pabia modema minua chairman of am so me hu na che I think be 3 weeks in the Nhyira chairman na biwa boko de nyame ne mboafo be yi papa migidi say I say you pay more attention to coronavirus because area obi ani ho a obetimi edi agro wi ase mo hwe amaya kase bi ti say United States of America Donald Trump no ho poor of
the Chinese virus.
I tell you, but I think that adjective now. I'm not going to be any adjective. Oh no, so it's an attack on China.
Oh, yes.
And Donald Trump is timing. You cannot understand the guy.
No, so before the outbreak of this particular the virus, no, this is not on the China for not
no, me or the diagroka crash as you know.
Fine, but not on the China for until years.
But the usage of the adjective Chinese virus, no. I don't know. Now, we said the whole China with its economy, and how I think break you down, no. Actually, say or see focus so much on the coronavirus. For the first time in the history of this country, I've said this in the world politics, and we are seeing what the back Ghana Mampanyin and Adram Kokufuado show strong leadership. As a Sunday, free Sunday, you may do 10 p.m. Bessie and I can say, as someone Maka in one way, I could draw Ghana Mampanyin and Ghana buying Eddie Shias high wearing.
for the first time Ghana mampani timi gina TV so etimi me no kasa ya close all schools in this country down. All junior high schools nkwala ni tifie. All senior high schools nkwala tifie. All teacher training colleges nkwala tifie, school for tifie ya break school no. All universities across the country Ghana mampani na gina mrani tumia Ghana for the share ninsano across schools. A year said ya Santifo ni Ghana for si pay ye Ghana for etimi ata Ghana mampanyina chi am ye de ye nyina ya suspending no nkremosom enra mosque and said nka mosque enefie mosque bezi aye ma no chief imam ajam nkremofo mpanifo nyina nam ata Ghana mampanyina hyehyɛ ya odi ti Ghana chi out to the extent say mosque yenuanom ntimi nko nkremo hyiadam enkosom nyame Christian Council ne asori dudu e Ghana nyina agi atum se asema Ghana mampanyini kase e wo se nsori hia mu mpo no ye suspend Ghana fo nyina agi atum. This clearly shows said ye ekon no ne said ye ne hu sitie me bo Ghana fo nyina aba so wo said ye si agi sa nhye nyina atum ene every be na no dwade ban ukọ banks ahoro ura bank bia nsuo si ho ye wo sanitizer ade horo sa semina soaps ho me ramo office asisi Nhyira FM ma wo si ya horo me nsa kama ya ma me sanitizer chesa konwa ya timu mpo ye de eniema be people mo ansa ne ye trans and health insurance offices ahoro a minim across the whole country ye ni so horo nsa upia o sabe ukakotwa receipt chese where the hygiene and answer preparation Ghana ban ye de ato ho e de fight saade we ni chese ade ne hu. I'm just hearing this information say police cramp mo training from nyina kra kofi every institution of state in this country papa so where the economic and financial implications eka any sika aban belusu do you know say teachers say twa omo ka across the whole country a omo tifi aban gusu twa omo ka onim say chese ni ukọ de secondary schools ahoro ne ko e bia nka nuane a aban atogu so de be feed school nyina for all you know e bi be say eniema aban ni belusu no so ni nyina mu no Ghana aban ne Ghana for say sayale we nko ade o say fight against it as we speak here has here na 1 2 and you do 11. Me one interesting thing a woman say so where the global records and now global statistics na nipa dodo oni timi nya bidie na so recovery and I say dodo na no ho ato wo what it means ni say hu die na so anamotu aye 20 no e betima aso ama Italy has a different different very difficult to recover. Recovery, you know, has been very difficult. Yes, so also be about the session. And I was on Suya day. A good deal. Papa Macassa has him on several platforms. As a 10 rate, the NDC, some of their communicators, a buying share or the Atuano, yeah, serious. Macassa has me as at almost on the 16th of March. On the 16th of February, me free outside the country, Medu Ghana. Kutuka International Airport. Na sabre nimpo me for Tambo Airport, South Africa. E hono na there were no arrangement. See be check you temperature, you be check you yen check we. And once a man for Buram, but that Ghana hano, you has here prepare to prevent and fight against this disease. What it means in say Ghana buying from day one has been very serious to fight the arena ban. Right? So why NIA Fugusu no, I will come there. As you don't get here enra chi ameki assembia uko social media amafo ojiri se nyansa bia anim se don't get here asem on what can say aban hyehyɛ na na donko kufo ado aban hyehyɛ a wɔhyehyɛ nyinaa aka aban bɛbɔ ne ɔman ne bɛbɔ nyinaa all in an attempt see ebe fight say area Ghana fo nyinaa gye atum no on de ojiri say ɛyɛ nhyehyɛ bia aban ne fa so dia ko wia 2020 abato we nyansa be was one shot and can say media for na ye
enti won ti video na akọ viral
my voice
yes voice we media chese media de mo hunu amane papa so bia akotena ba bi no ka ne nsem hunu na mo di ba ma Ghana
Debbie
o bana se do ka de
no
what is the sense in the statement
I mean we on air so job
can answer minim de ba akọ social media amanfo use
social media different from traditional
or me say wo de mono some no mo de me agree
fine so
that's what say do ka tie ka say
in terms of our choice
abana mo ntuo ne ye kwan over so wi abato we fa abato ho why is the NDC trying everything possible to politicize this thing
Asamu quite to the essence apart from say taking all the measures. Ya check kwa emphasis on huriensa. Ya all the education so to one so kakra say a minimum war. E dey na buying ye education is been yen all platform to sensitize the Ghanaian people say I didn't ban I registration is still registered. I think I agree with the suggestions I Ghana for Bebre Emma. Utie NI Professor Tefa Asemo Kai and say now how agent NI in say city no more plan say city no. Abind the and as NI for also the say to her or social media on pictures kwa on my mom spaces ama all the sanitizers ni niam e beboa ma registration akwaso overcrowding enkoso. Nanka some NI for can emanate from churches near that centers or Eastern region and oh yeah the propaganda the propagandist argument. Papa, no, don't follow propagandist argument. The NI for can we are telling the reality yourself. No, the reality. Any propagandist argument. What I'm saying is Ghana Medical Association and the strategy for so they are making propaganda. What I'm saying is I'm also asking you if indeed the NI for ye say amu gidi se betimi aboa no Ghana for ni bigidi se nya it doesn't mean say the GM for can correct. And it doesn't mean that the strategy statement now as an individual issue means that that's the best. If indeed you to say the NIA for based on our plan and the umbeso and then we come back and reconsider it. In all, the person can not defend the president as I say social gathering in infant churches they all part of social gathering. Any over health insurance officers in the registration. Any all departments and sectors any are closing it down. Any baby amount for be provided what we call essential services. That's you are one understand. And to Mr. Obama offices here, but for not to come OP come more closely down. Mr. Obama health insurance officer, Oko banks are for go it doesn't mean that because of the number. I mean, looking at the what you're saying. The same you all know Kumasi and how people troop into the same. Jamaican and Papa say only more. And I'm sorry, I will cry bar since we health insurance offices. Nipa or crash NI. Health insurance offices. Because are you justifying? No, I'm not justifying. I mean, another instance. Examples are. Me say you are justifying. Me say over health insurance officers. Me for office na ebe. Nipa gumi officer omo beji omo card because first no one send the card no on renew out in baby but I said yeah nipa de say I bi aba into anya ne card and to one bit to onya baby enko the whole Ghana baby pressure about pa anya in our office and health insurance offices because obi aba be renew the card into the argument say and I'm saying na for your card into no omu mbu Ghana mampanyin I think say enyina this is the final statement I want to make concerning coronavirus. Ghana for baby adro no. Abai babo e ho ban de enenso. Mumye ne amo e ho ban. Me read a series of cases I record wa. Ebinuma make suggestion say one way you cry you the curfew. You pe curfew. Say your movement go and get me ko baby na nkia chef ye be na otwem ye. No, let me tell you. US by the close of this week, United States will close to all movement for the next 2 weeks. This shows how serious the corona spread in its effect in the city. And the politicians are the NDC almost survivor and depend on no person will take politics and political advantage of it. And I think Patrick, health insurance manager, was a communication team member the MPP Chama Fire, number Chempo say. And how come you win from fuel? Hey, Papa, Mammy, you told them and time. Yes, why would Mammy win from and no knock a rough cool down. Bar in TNA, who be show be a all 7 capsules. Pure FM Ralph na bokode wow papa oh yeah we go nyame for there since wie mu a there's a go fa oh nyame ba bi say nyame tiase na mo ti Ghana ban ne emu nipa etuo no bia be fine Chairman of Fire Mayor NDC Chairman in Shaisa constituency, Chairman of Bokodia.
I said, Daniel, the
BI5. Okay. I mean, into it, Raf, you didn't come COVID-19. Abba, see the numbers, no? I recorded 11. Precautionary measures in I observe it. Directive President Maya, no churches, social gatherings, Nyakanya observe the comma. Yababum is a National Identification Authority. Our Eastern Region Ghana card registration.
I think I said Dunke I'm making a very serious statement
on
concerning the measures are binding together.
Yeah, say a way of sale when they buy in rig machinery no and sano no huno. Yenin komo yenhwe. Yeni can for the next 8 minutes.
Papa Nyamike,
how to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
My encha in the TF na Nhyira FM so 104.5 FM yenam wase wakwanya ifiada no pabia modema menua chairman of fire am so me hu na che I think be 3 weeks in Nhyira chairman na biwa boko de nyame ne mboafo be yi papa migidi say I was say you pay more attention to coronavirus because area obi ni ho a obetimi edi agro wi ase mo hwe amaya kase bi ti say United States of America Donald Trump no mo poor of
the Chinese virus.
I tell you, but I think that adjective now. I'm over being in Yajuni. So it's an attack on China.
Oh, yes.
And Donald Trump is typing. You cannot understand the guy.
No, so before the outbreak of this particular the virus, now on the China for not official.
No, me or the Diagroka crash as you know.
Fine, but not on the China for until years. Official yare we fear but
the usage of the adjective Chinese virus, no. I don't know. Now, we said the whole China with its economy, and the how I think break them down, no. Actually, say or see focus so much on the coronavirus. For the first time in the history of this country, I've said this in the world politics, and we are seeing what about Ghana? Ghana Mampanyin and Adran Kokufuado show strong leadership. As a Sunday, free Sunday, and you do 10 p.m. Bessie and Naya say, as someone Maka in one way, I could draw Ghana Mampanyin and Ghana buying Eddie Shias high wearing. For the first time, Ghana Mampanyin to me TV so at me no Kasaya close to all schools in this country down. All junior high schools in Kuala TV. All senior high schools in Kuala TV. All teacher training colleges in Kwadati school for Tifie, a breaking school no. All universities across the country. Ghana Mampanyin Jam Rani Tumia, Ghana for the Shan in Sano, across schools. A year said the Asante Ghana for the per year. Ghana for Etimia tag Ghana Mampanyachi, I'm yet a year in I suspended no. In Kremosum Enra, mosque and Sedenka mosque, and Nefie, mosque busy I am mano. Chief Imam jump Kremofon Penifon name attack Ghana Mampanyin Shaya or the two Ganachi out to the extent say mosque Yenuanum Timinko in Kremo share them and Kosum Yame. Christian Council ne asori dudu e Ghana nyina agi atum se asama Ghana Mampanyin kase I was saying sorry share mumpo no ye suspend Ghana fo nyina agi atum. This clearly shows said ye ekono ni said ye ni hu sitie. Me bo Ghana fo nyina aba so wo said ye si agi sa nhye nyina atum ene every be na no do ade ban ukọ banks ahoro ura bank bia nso si ho ye wo sanitizer ade horo sa semina soaps ho me ura mo office asisi Nhyira FM ma wo si ya horo me nsa kama ya ma me sanitizer tesa konwa ya timumpo ye de eniema be people mo ansa ne ye tena and have insurance offices ahoro a minim across the whole country ye ni so horo nsa upia o sabe ukakotwa receipt tese where the hygiene and answer preparation Ghana buying yedi ato ho e dey fight saade we ni chese ade na hu.
I'm just hearing this information say police crampo mo training kram nyina kra kofie.
Every institution of state in this country. Papa, so where the economic and financial implications eka any sika aban be lusu. Do you know say teachers say twi omoka across the whole country a omotifi aban gusu twi omoka.
Onim say chese ni ukọ de secondary schools ahoro ne ko ebi anka nuane a aban atogu so de be feed school nyina for all you know ebi be say enyema aban ni be lose no so ni nyina mu no Ghana aban ni Ghana for say yale we nko ade o say fight against it. As we speak, he has here 1, 2, and you do 11. Me one interesting thing a woman say. So when the global records and now global statistics now, ni padu do ni timi nya bidie. Na so recovery and I say do na no ho ato wo. Yeah. What it means ni say hu die na so anamotu aye 20 no e betima so an. Italy has a different
very difficult
to recover.
Yes, recovery, you know, has been very difficult.
Yes, so also be about the say and I was so a day a good Papa Makasa has on several platforms. As a tenor chimiti the NDC, some of their communicators a buying to say or the other one, yeah, serious. Makasa has me as at almost on the 16th of March. On the 16th of February, me free outside the country, Medu Ghana, Kutuka International Airport. Na sa brain impo me for Batambo Airport, South Africa. And hono na there was no arrangement. See be check temperature, you be check yen check we. And once a month for Buram, but Ghana hano, you has here prepare to prevent and fight against this disease. What it means in say Ghana buying from day one has been very serious to fight the
Nhyira FM. Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira FM.
All right, I it's 104.5 PM and so just about 22 minutes after 9. Chairman of IAM, my Ninkomo corona COVID-19 matters arising and issues be bringing in common. Ghana record 11 so far.
Papa Medasi, me chair TFO in your communicators near media monitors in me chair, na me chair Shayo for Dr. Samuel Sapon baby will be a Michano. Okujima Kukujan Prade Ted, Chirano my me channel pa. Apia Stadium so baby will be a Michana. What then I go to Russia? Very good. Na Michana, what you call Chelsea? Guys, the job Apia. Which I know.
Me tell the catch a on me ya can light one.
Hey, oh, Papa. Mamicha Evangelist Richard Pra, or a parliamentary candidate. Now, name Papa, COVID-19. You say no, you to say a international crisis.
Yeah,
because last week a buy a can once but the Ghana Aberton say a case is not 11. President. So,
but imported cases.
Yes. Now, whichever way it is, baby are imported.
Yes.
Baby are imported. Italy for the Abdul Kuro imported. And no excuse for anything.
Yeah.
But so what ye Shishaya ye go akwemu the precautionary measures. Nyoma ye be prevented the spread and all that. A worrying situation my na. And the President Babontina what they sa directives in the buy. Minia Raf abo President Abaso can directives no so can hodini mu can say yes ma nkemo phone call ma sorry phone call my enye festivals my conferences na ye nyina ade ese
nyina suspend classes
o kanina unim say school na ye kwa ginimde uginimde ana na ja aboa wona wo so wetimi de ababe contribute to the development of the country.
Yeah,
and so eba say ni yesi bibia stop Oka China yesi ya shut down production meboa ohoso na yen depend ye nyoma ye bebre no o mamu ha no ye import e ba say what you say uko Italy lockdown uko France lockdown America for su UK teacher say a serious issue until Ralph can we na obewie say I am more President Abasono. A drew National Education Authority there so hui. A drew National Education Authority there no or justify. Say I know the account. I just say no die. But National Education Authority the omu bro president so National Education Authority there. Just omu there the president can see yentie bia. Now when him the power National Identification Authority boss. A President Akufo-Addo. Enti say ne asofofo obi ti say Reverend Sam Kranchankra AG unim congregation okra Duncan Williams unim congregation okra Dark Heward Mills, Reverend Sudanaba, as of 4 more core, Golden Jubilee House, and Nako Bompa, only congregation of Mukra. Anka, sorry, dear, Sanke Yetimi Konyako Bompa, so you see, there be for your own good in Tina, stay out. Na Edu National Identification Authority SWA. Omo dear, omo si yenti obia o. Omo do Eastern Region. Na tie connection no. Enti Ghana Medical Association, omo ye doctor for ko ba time.
Yeah.
Doctor for ne ye yare ye dimrika ko omo nchen. No ma diagnose hu say we say menye say omo ba bontin say. Enye papa say yama directives. Na nekramati say the night clubs na fe de aka ho. Say mo bia kranko. Na NIA force ye de be registration na uko Eastern Regional. Nipa abodompem. Nipa ekun online mu. Nipa mfifreti omo. Omo gina line nimu a che say omo hina person omo register. All because the National Identification Authority boss a friend Kenatefua. The boss of Pani President Akufo-Addo. There be the backstop with the president. Me patroti. Politicization. COVID. Me politicization be on COVID. Enti President Akufo-Addo. The Ekosu ina also on Tiana. Sir, National Identification Authority for year registration. Dr. Foko say Omunyai. Shirad so say Omunyai. Economic Fighters League rather almost on back of disruptive process. Unim dear Essie. Who almost endanger the people's life our Eastern region. Genocide our Eastern region. Genocide. Yes.
Genocide.
Yes. As I'm making.
You're calling for doom for this country.
It is not doom. You the president is, no. National Identification Authority boss. The president of the Republic of Ghana. Uti ase enti asemna ye ka no ade ne se nipa kobodo mpinkura obi se trotro mu wo bi bo wa kuhum edane ntoko rototo wo se obema coronavirus
yes no magazine enya sam kito magazine
enti can you imagine say baby omo wo no nipa mienu miense bo wa ho no ma wo endanger for lives enti adenti and President Akufo-Addo who want the executive power wanting him for phone and the Professor Kenate for me pacho jai the way and my directives no buso now him can you Kenate for the confidence any kukudro na wenya na ode yes ade ni nyina no president nkasa ene kire say your president na ma no kwan say wonye because analogy na me draw you see national identification card no tio and then use for Dimrika Eco Parliament the CI91 ela ko say yenyen sachiremu bi say the exist kuta voter ID card dada na say no koya registration won't you find you but National Education Authority for Ashanti region ha na tintin na me use and crofo bebra register mo nsan kam card besi ne
oh yes. In fact, the last time just give me a quick one. Can I tell you Peace FM? Or since by 7 million and I register. In by 4 point something due to the entire nation. Not even more than 5 million in your Ghana card.
Na Yakupon mistake that. In some more Bible was say. So me we say Japadia nyina na samehwere me nkwa. Emfa so ban na wo so. So who can register the whole Ghana? Because Makosha on Crofobia Kutu Pasa Yanko use Ghana a card and final registration for new voter ID card in T. Eastern region, President Akufo-Addo stronghold. And Tenam sa ma botimu pobi say be use card ne dia ye nintino chinchina app kana te fa koso ye registration na ni pe
sana wadwen yo
now who connection na
I'm only asking you
yeah me chance I say we say who ni clear dear na president Esronti I want to make catch a Canada say Jardini na me directive chairman who busu me commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces me na me president
and you have insurance card
you know it's not I have insurance yabo nasa and crofo just say oh my because card no say Eastern region for nya ebe benefit o. Into you do konya card no munya yare wo mfa ho. Is that what you are saying?
We.
Papa, and your dear sister me twema adu ni so. Because e yare wo sam na si Ghana. Brichie abo wiase fa na yina. Amafo ban flight. Amafo say industries nya adwuma. Amafo say sepa yare we de anu na ye priority anu ni yakun wi ade wo bi ebetima aye. But Ghana institution mienu omo pese omo ye adwuma bi bua president the electoral commission na anai omo say yam fita sebi na Ghana 40 ho he if a region for ma men kan kire mu say Ghana card de upa obekwa ya je o na wo ye wi na coronavirus de utu form a wuntimi fa nkoto aba enti mu boycott sa de no enye sa ye Christopher me last Sunday me kwa sorry meaning say Sunday we me be kwa sorry ye kwa encounter service every last Sunday be encounter service we have for Living Baptist Church and so president directives in me kwa encounter service asori bi e wo north so ya kwachi omo say yes ya prevent gathering omo kwa ya nipa na wo ho no menye so no mu do 100 but uko Eastern region nipa egu ho more than 200 e wo dem yes ya nchi omo adentia emre no edibi ejabiana se wo ma ye rakenate fo enya eyina ye kwa sorry muslim for ye ina ye so ye kwa sorry I'm telling you yes because president Kasa so be about at the mention of the name at the mention of the name of the Lord every knee must bow. So if the president speaks all other activities are yasha yasema yenye no yenjai afa nke bechi watum try inside the people against the president. Rafa chere say your politics inside the people against the president. No, I am not inciting. What you are doing is incitement. Oh, Rafa Tobo nyabotre. Who incited Ghana for Ghana? Rafa. See am kwa sorry because I have insurance for your card. Yeah, for your card. Oh, Rafa distract me. Enti ni kura wom ni say President Akufo-Addo we ye eja minyin ni say se nipa wo Ghana he ina akoranya Ghana card na yare ne dokuru ya obetima di yeso enu nti na former President Mahama was say even though 2014 Ebola by no national crisis a bird flu by no national crisis but me I say yen na yanko. But President Akufo-Addo that time no ka say me makoji Ebola headquarters abesi Ghana na so bi nya Ebola yare bi me na ye fa so bombo me President Ama but was media me nyesa media ma share me communication team ene mapamfo ina say yare na aba no enemy to all Ghanaians enti me fa nya politics na obi an sori na on expertise in skill on ye fa mo aban no na ye ntu ade na say these are two leaders and you can see who is being nationalistic and who was scoring political points say a person can score political points with man can score pa but you see pam no chano national identification authority there can jaya de na wo ya no ye mem prim akuma President Akufo-Addo mem prim akuma ti say the pharaoh prim na kuma Emma Moses time no yesi onkoje ni nko anemra oprim na kuma ma enoma bi tutu wo mo no enti misrel papa mu ina mo fama nuntum se wo dehye bi wo Eastern region ka chense ma ne nko registration center ho chama fanya ma ya chama de mandis wo nhyia constituency mami ko kweko na ye nyante sare ho sem kakra bi asi e wa patrapa we de ye breaking news ye mo no ye Berma Jonathan ye bo ni nkomo na ye nhwe suspected murder Jonathan
Mava
na bacha mpomo
mbombo ko
Buimu kakra we yamre ne code but kakra between the boy and apata pasa be na zi ho
I no pay sorry any hu say people hu say kum akra bi wo apata pa ba ye de na ehwehwe ma ye ko na o makum no toilet no aja na to gaten that me the emi ku hu ye no tie mu na enra so ma me no epie eja akra no pie so okoto ade du ja akra no dem okoba na akra no mapija akra je hwe omu hwe na nyima no ehunu se woda ho ba nyima ne please one into am family kana pen ye ne sorry ye zitu ku hu eyi no
oba na be ma
ba cha oba
wadi fi be yesai
be 3 years
I don't know musi yakum no monka se bi wawu because how do you say yakum no yakum dey na chese obi kum no
se ba bi akra ne da no afra onya akra obetima na ntia bedu sa amana ni mo
Okay, na moja bi wono ho ana bi ya bibi wono ho achese.
Na no ho na mi hu moja kakra. Ba me hu se etwa no ba bia.
This your hin sisia.
Sisia please one of fan sisia.
No, o mama ne o papa mo he.
O mama ne o papa no me o mama o papa me bejira o mama je mba ha me hu no. O papa na mi hu no no so no ma for boys na so so no ma de na tie mi he da hu ba bia esi on kwa afa.
Okay. Jonathan, no, I said, some for neighbor, details, say 12 o'clock news. The Academy, but higher Nhyira 104.5. I was see our patrapa is suspected. GDC, Caribbean 3 years, or yeah, or by night, GDC, Kumra Kotom and Emua. Jonathan, the boy. What, Rafi, Yamponi,
Casano pay Dr. Muhammad Baumia, and in Cramophone penny for Chitru in Asia.
Yeah, and Christian community. But almost someone invited will be in the Bofone,
na die mampanyi beti on Sunday na no kwasiada United States of America Donald Trump declare Sunday ni nyina prayer day or the US kakraka ni nyina se mompaye after say omo day omo doctors ni omo scientists atu anamo no after say Ghana mampanyi na tu anamo oso otu nyina na o say nra ene ne no so no nkremo
no mo 25 there because I see more than 25 years here.
In fact we can mean ne nuru mpanifo nkremofo mpanifo ni asofo akese a ne okroma nyina nso free nyankopon Papa, me saw a public announcement. A scholarship secretariat from April 1st to the end of April. A baby online application. No, now, apply for district scholarship. No, apply. Na say the last year. No, last year Ghana Mampany now don't go government 32,000 scholarships. Okay. For districts. This time, no, me just have a cost library. She may stress and tamano mumuti and say, apply from first April online portal. Then you do that. Me know about BTF and Doris Mitchell. Now, Papa, me say what are quite a course no.
But a quick one on the NDC and the Electoral Commission said the CNUSU only Ghana card passport in fine form of.
But me just say the NDC the court. Okay. And I'm maybe so no. I say don't get your can't be breach. Say court no be any team court. Okay. Into Yanchema Supreme Court entrance answer was near her. Say you know so better than some more anymore.
Mate. Chama fa yempo.
Papa. Ralph. I can't say be free in Mabazar or because I cannot take for an idea.
And if you're crying, I'm glad you want
to mean can't do be the confined. Someone come with you, I can't find I didn't see passport. Now, Omoka say be issue. On person of the co-parliament areas a basic passport. Eddie, I Ghana Kada. Papa. Eddie, a DJ passport. Never certificate. I don't know more for no count. And just I did work to so my catch us and President Mahama Pan at Bemu. And I saw no more question and the clergy about pointing and can someone move back. But Ralph Mo your power no. Oh man, who anything good at President Mahama, yeah. And see, and now criticize your man, I almost said, you know, we are no near you can say, be a try and that. But make us a media for a free necosi next week. Mum, Sakanata for and I am and
my heavens runs with Yenya Kadi.
I shall 104.5. Maybe I want to pay with you, my the biggest opportunity, business opportunity this morning. Maybe I will Juma Kama with no problem crab. Nyamia don't be a while you Juma. But don't forget, says the idea, Janipa, and your Juma Bakubia, and what Juma Kakabi or so your council by every month, Biano, Ubunaka Canada or sort to Nimania, and internet is a new global marketing company, Bagana. You recruiting Pamamo, a network marketing. You life saving food supplementer. You put me at Tuama or supplementary income at the account, and it's all you're so ambitious, self-driven, and hardworking. You want to succeed in life. So we need extra income, and the amount the biggest business opportunity and nano paying. 10 years is just amazing product. Bois at the Sayari Bibri, Sayari we Uto Drono now say enya commission was so tiene pao. Saying as some conforce ya ready a moment. Into Yami Adoma and the Friday. Yeah, presentation at 12 p.m. Pepe. Yeah, presentation. City Star Building. Abbey Express. Make a first floor. Ni stadium. Makum Kumase ya. One year. And next Friday 12 noon. Yeah, presentation. Yami adoma Sunday so. Yeah, presentation. Ni bi 3 p.m. after church. Into night 12 noon. Sunday at 3 p.m. To bomodi ya. And also be Sunday yes. Tini ye pa. Obe Sunday yes. Dia kosa WhatsApp line with 024 338 2431. That's 0243382431. Nabuko sit for this business opportunity presentation. Tibamodia, no phone calls, just a matter of just Ubefreke Kofra and Oasia Johnson. Ibia Kose Kama. Chairman of Fire, NDC Chairman, is a constituency. Sanso and Ralph Saffo Patrick, communication team, Medema, MPP. Nasekesen Koma Bernard Kusiapia, producer for the shows, and a Bismarck is streaming live your Facebook in the Maya. Momutie bi mamo so mkafa bi minia labi phones o a duma no pewtie fefe alaga so oboase minia chairman AG o sesi benno we munyina tietie bi eko wase munyina tie bi o jo sanso se na ye papa so quarantine ne hu na namo okay, say kind of quarantine, and quarantine. Quarantine. There's no word like quarantine. It's quarantine, yes. It's pronounced quarantine. It's not quarantine. Yes, it doesn't exist anywhere. There's no word called quarantine. It's quarantine. Anyway, thank you so much. Midiani Papa Nyamika Kwati. Papa the J. Jamu de my power sports. Have a wonderful weekend.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan we yetu ko ka obi bia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. The way soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for na soldier for respect what. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Enough the nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute. In so piece on the economy management will be out John Mahama now on only time not see no at the same now inflation senior they get for almost how many marks Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semedua na ba pa ho aduada ekosi